Today I want to show you a trick with a strap that is going to help you with the volume of your pelvis, with orienting you in the middle and not dumping into or loading one hip. So we'll start in a jog and then we'll bring our right foot forward. So think that you're in your left foot as you bring your right foot forward. Right heel and right knee are in the same line. Left heel and ball of foot are in the same line. You're gonna lower your back knee straight down. So what you're really looking for is that line from the back knee to the front knee through the groin. So you're not back here, but you're coming forward, which will get you off your heel. Now, the strap is gonna go around the back leg. So you're gonna make a loop that's the size of your thigh. But when you put it on, I want you to have the strap, the tail of the strap, on the inside of your leg, okay? Put it on, come back. And what that's gonna do is when I pull this back, it's gonna help the internal, you can see that action, right? So I'm pulling back, it's gonna give me the depth of the groin. Now the back leg, people tend to throw the hips away to the right. It accentuates, you can see how I've lost my back foot. I'm on the big toe side of the foot. Now I'm exaggerating, but not really. So by pulling the strap back with my left hand and widening it out to the left, you can see that I've gotten off of my right butt. I've gotten off of that dumping and loading. And if you do poses and you feel a pinching in the groin of that you're putting too much weight on that leg. So find the wideness of the top of the thigh. This is the left hip is going out to 9 o'clock here. And then find the baby toe side of the foot and you will be in the middle of yourself. And then you can just take the strap up and over. And then my head's out of the frame, but here I'm really in that back bend. And I can even bring the arms up and finish that sphere. Ears in line with arms, arms in line with ears. Feel that hip out at 9 o'clock. Then the right hip's out at 3 o'clock. And then you just, so much room in for the lungs. It's really helpful. So we'll stay on that same side and do it now with the leg lifted. So right knee forward, chest on the thigh, I'm not using my back. And what people will do all the time is this. When they start to turn to the left, they'll throw the hips away to the right. Now that's not a twist, that's just a squish. So what you really have to do, when you twist, you're really moving in two directions. So it's like the hips are going to the left and around, but my torso is going to the left that way. In a real sense, like your hips are spinning around and to the right and your torso is spinning to the left. So pull your head off your neck. I'm gonna grab my tail and to set myself, I'm gonna pull that thigh out, which really gives me the anchor. And when I have the anchor, the back foot, well, I'm not using my upper body to hold it together. Look, I can even move it to you with this hand. So I'm gonna keep that memory, bring that up. And then back bend. And then I know I'm in it. My chin comes to my armpit and you back bend to open the whole pose. And then your vision, the vision is always forward, which is really what the twists are for. So just think about finding the anchor of that back foot, widening, bringing that hip out to be able to spiral and go all the way out to your future. Let me know how it goes.